I just finished this vintage, circa early 1950s, German singing birdcage. Very, very nice cosmetic condition. The bird is actually in pristine condition, original red feathers, highly colorful. All the foliage is original, with the exception of the two black forest berries. I did restore those, so they're nice and red and glossy again. Very nice blue base. Exceptionally long tail, which I like, and that just adds to the overall animation. So I fully serviced the mechanism, so she sings and animates exactly as she should. Let's hear it play, starting off on the pause mode. The pause feature only works if the bellows and mechanism are in excellent condition. Typically, the pause feature does not work. Works perfectly. That's just the spring letting loose, no big deal. Let's do one more pause, ode to continuous. The bird sings perfectly, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. The animation is also flawless. Beak opens and closes, the tail flutters, and she rotates her head from left to right. Yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. So in summary, a vintage early 1950s singing birdcage in excellent condition. And notice the wire loop feet on the bird. That indicates that the bird is solid metal and not plastic, which is also nice. Take care.